Alright, what's up YouTube? Marty Mike's back in the building. Been a while since I did a YouTube video, but here we go. If you're looking at the screen, you probably noticed, but that's ps2. Not only it's ps2, this is the original model, first came out, back in the year 2000. They also have these little skinny ones now, the slims. Anyways, I've been trying, if you guys know, and how to fix the disc read error. I don't know. It means, if you guys have this model, then you guys know what I'm talking about. All you gotta do is lift off the cover, pulling out all the screws, lifting the cover, lifting the thing forward, cleaning the lens, the laser, and all that stuff. Now, if you know, that method does work. I always grab a little plastic butter knife, and some fabric wipes, furniture wipes. You make sure you clean everywhere in that system, and then it will start working again. So, anyways, my thing has this disc reader twice in a row. I don't know why. Maybe it's just the CDs are not working. I don't know. I've been testing this low CD out, this music CD, this track called Faith, George Michael, and that's a compact disc. I don't see any scratches on this. Let's see if it'll work. I'm gonna stay in the browser. I'm gonna stay into the browser. Or actually, I'm gonna reset it. And it works. So, to how to fix a disc reader. Most likely, you open up this, turning the back of the system off, that, taking the disc out, putting the knife in there, cleaning it, cleaning all the lens and laser and all that, and make sure it works good. If you guys have any questions, even some questions, comments, and please subscribe to my video if you don't. Yeah, so maybe tomorrow I'll show you guys how to fix it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go into my closet right here. See what's in here. That I might sell for you guys. I'm selling this, my old fat PS2. I'm giving this away for a couple of my friends if they want it. Come down here tomorrow or something. It's 150 bucks. So yeah, it's the end of my episode. Peace.